How to use Google Trends for business, product, keyword, and market research. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you are missing out on Google Trends and how it is a great way to find different markets that are available for you to cash in on, different ways to find keywords, and different marketplaces that you should be accessing. So stay tuned to get a full introspection onto how to use Google Trends. Now, first off, we're just going to go on to trends.google.com, and then you can change your location to basically any place over here. You can change it to whatever market that you are targeting. Maybe I just want to target the market for Bangladesh, or I want to target like our Argentinian market. So let's say I want to establish a business in Argentina. First off, I would just change the location onto Argentina. First off, going into this section, just like this, I have a comparison. So you can compare two different things that you already have. Then you can also have your interest by region and then interest by subregion. So let's say I want to take a look at Argentina. So I'm going to go and change this into Argentina, and maybe I want to establish like a food business. So what I would do is I would search for food over here, and then I would take a look at the past 12 months. I have web search, and instead I can also change this to image or news search as well. And then I can also compare this search word to a different search word. Now you might be wondering, how is this going to help me in my business? Well, if you're looking to establish a business, you want to make sure people are interested in it. Now, you can see food is a general and very broad term. What you're going to do is you're actually going to scroll down over here, and you can take a look at the related topics. So you can take a look. Indian cuisine is actually something that is being popularly searched. Then you also have Picket food, and you have John Food. So you have different related queries, and these related queries you can also change them to top. So you have truck body style food truck, you have food carb controller, and then you also can change this as well. And truck food is something that is popular in Argentina. So this is what I have concluded directly from Google Trends, and this will enable you to establish your business in a very lucrative way instead of, maybe if you made a fine dining restaurant and it failed because you had no idea that people didn't like fine dining. Instead, if you just do this research of over like a 20 minutes or 30 minutes you spend on Google Trends, you would see what is being popularly searched. Now, after that, you also have certain cuisines, like you have Indian cuisine is popular. So this is already giving me the idea to open up a Indian cuisine food truck in Argentina, because Indian cuisine is getting popular, truck food is getting popular in Argentina. This will enable me to make the perfect fusion of both, and I could have a very lucrative business. Now, not only can you find different business ideas, but you also can do keyword research. So let's say I was creating a YouTube video, or let's say I was creating, a blog, whatever it might be, any of those two. I need to put a title, and my title needs to have good keywords. And let's say I was making a video on Kardashians and Jenners. What I could do is, instead of, I could just search for Kardashians like this, and now you can see the search term, and you can see the audience that you're targeting. So if you're writing a blog or if you're making a YouTube video, you probably want worldwide audiences. But if you want a specific region, you can select that as well. And you want to take a look, maybe not at the past 12 months, you want to take a look at the past 7 days. So you want to make sure that you have a good estimate. Now, once I have Kardashians, you might be wondering, okay, this is a keyword. What do I do with that? You can scroll down and take a look at the related topics and make a YouTube video or write a blog or a article about any of these topics, because you can see these are rising topics. You can see the percentages as well. So this topic, white dress of Marilyn Monroe, has been searched more than, it has, whatever was the previous level of it being searched, it is being searched 550% more. So that is going to be a huge bonus. Then you have this search title as well, which is being searched more than 2000% as it previously was. So this will enable you to get more ideas for your writing and for your YouTube videos or for any kind of digital content on this related topic. And not only are you getting a topic idea, but you also can search for the perfect keyword. So let's say I was going to already make a video on Kardashians and Jenners, I can click on compare over here, and add a search comparison of genders. And now this will enable me to see what the overall trend is. So Kardashians is most definitely the more popular term as compared to Jenners in the past 7 days, or if I even search for the past day. Now this shows me a good illustration of maybe I should, instead of putting in Jenner family update, I could put Kardashian family update in my YouTube video or in my article or in my blog, and that will get me more clicks. And the more clicks you get, the more views you get, the more money you make. So this is going to be a great cash cow to get you the best business ideas, the best topics, and the best keywords for you to establish your digital presence, or for you to even establish your actual business. And this will allow you to get great insight into a market without even actually accessing the market, just by changing the location from here. So let's say I go into, maybe I want to establish something in the United States, maybe I want to open up a business, or in Canada. So if I just scroll and click on Canada over here, and maybe I was going to write a article for specifically, and I wanted Canadian audience on that article, and it was going to be on vegan. So instead of adding vegan, and I'm just going to add veganism. So although both of these things mean the same thing, one is more searched than the other, and this tells you which one is the better keyword. And this is why it's super essential that you search for these kinds of things on a platform like Google Trends, which is available for free, which is easy to use and simple to understand, because this will be making you so much money without even putting any extra effort. Because maybe you were just going to write veganism is amazing. Instead, you could write being vegan is amazing, and your article or a YouTube video, whatever kind of digital content that you're creating, would get more views simply because you put the correct keyword. Because obviously vegan is a more searched term and veganism is a less searched term. So this is web search. You can also change this to YouTube search if you're specifically looking for YouTube keywords and things that are more searched on YouTube, and that will allow you to get a more customized view on Google Trends as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.